Hi, I'm Bob Carr with TLC. I want to walk you through a really nice outdoor lighting project we just wrapped up, and more importantly, show you how this is exactly how homeowners should approach lighting on their properties. Not all at once, but in phases. So here's the story. Last year, we installed the front foundation lighting for this home. We lit up the architectural lines, we highlighted the landscaping, and gave the front of the home that warm, welcoming glow that every homeowner is looking for. And honestly, it looked fantastic. But, like a lot of homeowners, once they saw it at night, they started thinking, hey, what about the rest of the property? Well, fast forward to last week. We came back and expanded the system, this time focusing on the right side of the home. Now, this is where things really got interesting, because we didn't just add lighting, we upgraded the experience. Everything we installed on this phase is color changing LED lighting. And when I say color changing, I don't just mean party colors, I mean total control. You can go from that classic halogen warm look, old school, with that elegant glow, all the way to cool white, which gives you that clean, modern, almost resort, I was going to say retired, resort style feeling. Or you can go anywhere in the spectrum, red, blue, green, amber, whatever fits the mood, the season, or the occasion. So think about this for a second. Regular night, warm white. Having friends over, maybe brighten it up a little bit. Holiday season, now you're in full color mode. Game day, birthdays, events, well, you got flexibility built right into the system. You can use this all from the palm of your hand with your smartphone. And here's what I love about doing projects this way. We didn't rip anything out from last year. We built onto it. The front lighting ties right into this new side lighting. Same system, same control, same clean design. It all flows together like it was done at one time. Now, let me give you the real takeaway. A lot of homeowners think they need to do everything all at once. And that's just not true. You can start with the front of your home, then come back later and expand it to the sides. Then maybe the backyard. Then maybe the patio lighting, the trees, the pathways. This is how you build a complete outdoor lighting system over time without overwhelming yourself and without compromising the quality. And the other thing, when you upgrade to systems like this, you're not locked into one look. You're not stuck with, well, this is what you have forever. You've got options, you got control, and honestly, you got a little bit of fun built into your landscape. So if you're sitting there thinking about outdoor lighting, start somewhere. You don't need to do it all the day. But once you see it, once you live with it, you understand why so many of our customers come back and say, hey, let's do the next section. This is a perfect example of that. Started with the front, came back and expanded. Now, this is how this home looks completely different at night. Hey, I'm Bob with TLC. If you're thinking about outdoor lighting or expanding what you have already, we'll be happy to take a look and help you design it the right way. Let's make your home look just as good at night as it does during the day. We'll talk to you soon.